Hello, my ICTA students. This is assignment number 6, letterhead called rock, okay? And again, by now you should be getting pretty good at these. So take a look, and the first thing you see is you need a center tab. So make sure you've got center here and click at 3.25, you know that's where it goes. And you need a right align tab, so change it to right, and then you're going to click on your ruler and you're going to drag it and plunk it on top of the indent. Okay, so first of all, we want to press the tab key. Don't do anything with the symbols, okay? Don't even attempt to. Now, type in rock, manufacturers, put your caps lock on, type rock, manufacturers, and don't forget it's U-R-E-R-S, okay? Manufacturers, spell it right, I-N-C, period. All right, press your tab key, and remember no symbols, press enter, tab, and then type in, take off your caps lock, 246 Orange Street, is it Orange? Yeah, Orange Street, O-R-A-N-G-E, Street, and tab, and press enter, and tab, and put in Montreal, M-O-N-T-R-E-A-L, comma space, and we want PQ, okay, province of Quebec, and put your caps lock on and put in H2T, 2T9, 2T9. Take your caps lock off and press your tab key. Okay, and press enter. And now you want to type telephone, so type in telephone and put in a colon, and remember there's one space after a colon, and then put in 204 control shift hyphen, and then 777 control shift hyphen, and then 8888. Okay, and tab. And now you will leave your symbols for right now. We're not going to put anything in there, so just press tab by. And now put in fax, F-A-X, colon, space bar, and then put in 204 and control shift hyphen, and then put in 777 and control shift hyphen, and put in 9898, 9898. All right, press enter. What do we do here? Control shift N for normal, and put on no spacing. All right, and now press enter one more time. All right, go control home, and let's stop here and save it. So let's go file, save as. We want to go to your name, go to ICTA slot 4 displays, and this one we're going to call rock. So click in here, take out the Manufacturers Incorporated. Now press home, type in your first name, type in the current date for you, and leave rock there just as it is, and that's fine. All right, save it. Okay, that piece is good. All right, let's go control home, and I think we already did that. And now we want 3 symbols. All right, so let's go to insert, and let's go to symbol, and let's go to more symbols, and the webdings comes up. Now let's just go and take a look at wingdings. I don't know if there will be anything that we'll see in there, but let's take a look, okay? So let's go down to wingdings, wingdings. Oh yeah, let's use something here. Okay, so here's the moon with the star. Let's put that one in, insert it, and let's use this one, half and half, insert it, and oh, there's the happy face. Let's use the happy face. All right, insert and close. Okay, so we want to size this up a couple, so go control right square bracket, size it up a couple, and whatever colors you want to use. I'm going to use my pink here, and then I'm going to use green, seeing how I've got it there, and I'm going to size it up too. And then this one, the happy face, I should make it yellow, right? Now you won't be able to see it. What if I use gold? Gold's better, I'll use it. You can see it better, and size it up a couple. All right, that's all we need to do. Now, we select the 3 of them, Control C to copy, click at the end of your line, Control V. Now, we want to have the pink one on the outside, so cut it, Control X, click here at the end of your line, Control V. And the green's got to be in the middle, so cut it and put it in the middle. All right, take your first three, Control C, click here, go Control V. That's why I told you not to put them in, because you're going to copy them, go Control C, and you're going to click here and go Control V. So you've put your pattern in, your pinks are on the outside, then the greens, and then the gold. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Now, Rock Manufacturers Incorporated, we definitely want it to be bold, likely italics, and size it up a fair amount. And if you want to put a color on it, I don't know what color, maybe it'll be green. This time I don't think we've used the green. Okay, and then Orange Street, I would say bold it, size it up 1, 2 maybe. And Montreal, bold, size it up 1, 2. Alright, and I think the telephone number was bold, so select that and bold it. And then select fax and bold it. Alright, that looks good. So save your work. Control S to save. Now select the 4 lines. Remember, just the 4 lines with your white arrow. Now you want to go to Borders and Shading, and you're going to pick out something different. Oh, I'm going to do a shadow again, and I'll choose a different line style. This one, and I'm going to go with my green. Okay, I'll go with this green, but I don't want that big a shadow, so I think I'll make it 2 1/4 points. And then the shading, I'm going to make green also. So I'll choose my green and say OK. Alright, so now there I've got the shadow, the size I like, everything looks good. So what do we have to do now? We have to set the margins, so Layout, Margins, Custom Margins, and we want a top 0.5 and Tab, put in 0.5 and press Enter. So there's your top margin, perfect. Alright, click on this last paragraph symbol and check where you are. We're at 1.9, so now we want to come down until we are at 2.5, and that's where I am. So I go to Insert, I go to Date and Time, I choose the 3rd date, make sure it doesn't say Update automatically, OK. And now press Enter 4 or 5 times here, and insert Quick Parts, and you want Field, Document Information, File Name, add the path, right? And now Shift Home, and size it down 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's pretty good. You've got it looking great, what you wanted. So go Control S to save, and we're going to stop here.